Hello everyone, welcome back to our MF Techno Solution channel. So if you are a beginner to learn the Linux and DevOps tools, you are in a right place, in a right channel. So in the entire course, we are going to cover all the basic commands to advanced level commands. And once after completing this complete Linux part, we are going to cover all the DevOps tools. To cover all the DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we are started our course on starting with this all Linux commands and complete Linux topics. Okay. So in the last lecture, the last 9 lectures, we covered all these commands like basic command, cd command, omi command, pwd command, and to get a server name and host name. Okay. How to get the IP address. Okay. These are all commands to get a memory details. Okay. How to get the process ID. Okay. Process management commands and how to kill the process. Okay. With the process ID name and by the name of process, how to kill the process. Okay. These all commands we already covered in the last lecture. Okay. In the last lecture, we covered file management. In the file management, we covered this touch command and the one more cat command also there. So we in the today session, we are going to cover this cat command. Okay. If you are not aware about all these commands, okay, and all these topics, so please go through this all the videos and do yourself practical. And after that, continue with the today session. Okay. So in the today session, we are going to cover this cat command. Okay. Okay. What is the cat command? Cat command is used to display the file and inside that file content. What is the file is containing inside the content. Okay. We can see here. What I will do, I will create a file. First, I will use touch command. That is file1.txt. Okay. So file1.txt is created here. Okay. So what I will do with VI editor. So I will enter into the file1 directory. So file1.txt file. Okay. Click I to insert. And here what I will write some notes in that. This is file1.txt data is available here. Okay. And click escape button colon WQ means write and quit. Hit enter. So you have saved the file and it came out of the file. Okay. So again, I will create one more file. Touch file2.txt. Okay. Here file2.txt is created. Again, I will enter into this file2.txt. Hit enter. Click on I. This is file2.txt data is available here. Okay. Click on escape colon WQ, write and quit. Okay. So what I did here, you can see here, I created file1.txt and I created file2.txt. What I did, I entered into VI using VI command. I entered into that file1.txt, and I written some notes in the file. And again, I entered into this file2.txt. I written some notes in that. So both files are existing here. With this ls command, you can check the file name, all the files. Okay. So what I will do here, cat file1.txt. Hit enter. So cat command will display the file content. See, this file is containing this content. Okay. This is file1.txt. Data is available here. So you can do cat file2.txt. See here. This is file2. Data is available here. It will display the file content. Okay. So I can display both file data with a single command. How? See here, cat file 1.txt and give that file2 name file2.txt and hit enter. See here, both data, file1 data is available here and file2 data is available here. Both we can display both file data at a time with the single command. Okay. I hope you are understood this point. Okay. So now we will see this greater than command and this is double greater than, that is append command. What is the use of these commands and what is the difference between that? Okay. See what I will do. Cat file1 dot txt, okay, greater than symbol file 2. Okay, what I will do? Okay, fine. File 2 dot txt. So what I am doing, I am copying file 1 data to the file 2. Let's check. Hit enter. Now do cat file 1 dot txt. Hit enter and do cat file 2 file 2 dot txt. Hit enter. See here. Let me explain. See here what I did. So when I perform this command, here let's call. See here, when I perform this command, what happened? The file 1 data, what is data is containing inside the file 1. So that is copied to the file 2. Okay, how? See here, before copying file 1 data, what it did, what this command is did, the complete data whatever existing in the file 2, in the file 2 we have this data, right? File 2 we have this is file 2 data is available here. This data we have in the file 2. So what happened when we perform this, that erased that data and copied whichever data is existing in the file 1. You can see here I did both cat for both file 1. So after performing this command, what I did cat here. See, you can see here I did cat command dot file1 dot txt. You can see here this data is file1 dot txt data is available here. So and after that I check this cat2 file. So in that cat2 file also file 2 also the same data is available. See here you can file, this is file1.txt, means in the file 2 whichever data is existing that is erased and whatever the data existing in this file 1 that is copied to this file. So that is the meaning of this greater than symbol. Okay, it will erase the previous data and it will copy a new data. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, we will see this append command. What is the use of that append command? See here, I will clear the screen. CLER, hit enter. So what I will do, ls our file 1 and file 2 data are existing here. So what I will do, cat file1.txt and cat file2.txt, hit enter. See, in the file 1 and file 2 a same data is there. So what I will do, I will go into the file 1.txt. I will add some data again into this file. Click I, enter file 1.txt data again added. Okay. So this data I added. So that is just for an understanding purpose. Escape : WQ. Right hand quit. Okay. We modified this file with that data. Do cat file1.txt. Okay. This data is available inside this file. So what I will do, I will perform, and before that, you can check this file2.txt. This data is available inside the file 2. Okay. This data is available inside the file 1. Okay. So what I will do, I will perform now append command. Cat file1.txt, that is double greater than file2.txt, and hit enter. Now what I will do, cat file1.txt and now cat file2.txt. See here, give me a minute. See here, when I perform this append command, okay, so what happened? The file1 data, whichever existing inside the file1, that is appended, means that is copied. Okay, and while copying, the previous data also existing, it's not deleted. You can see here in file1 which data is considering. This data is there inside the file1. Okay, in file2, you can see here when you perform this command, so the previous data is this one and the present data is this one. So the previous data is added as it is there, and the present data also, it's appended to the same file. Okay, you can see here in file2 that present data is update, means copied, appended. That means from file1 to it's appended here. Okay, I hope you have understood this point. Okay, the previous data is, there is no loss to this previous data. Okay, the previous data is remain same, and in the under that data, that new data is copied here. Okay, that is the append command. It will perform append. That is the use of this command. Okay, fine. So with this greater than symbol, what we can do, so we can copy that file and we can create a new file also. So we will see this command. How? Control L means I will scroll up the screen. Okay, Control plus L. Here what I will do, cat file1.txt is available. Okay, so greater than symbol. Before that, what we will do, we will check. See here, in this entire directory, there is no any file3.txt is not available. Okay, now what I will do, with cat command, I will create a file3.txt. How? See here, file1.txt greater than symbol file3.txt, and hit enter. Just to ls. See here, with this cat command, I created file3.txt. You can see here, file3.txt is available. And again, do cat file3.txt. So what happened? Whichever data the file1.txt is containing, that data is appended to this file. Means that previous data is erased. Okay, means whichever data, if it's available, means it will erase and it will copy the new data. And even the file is not existing. Okay, previously file is not existing. Okay, that is file3.txt. And what happened when we perform this command? So it created the new file with this file3.txt, and the data whichever inside the file1.txt, it is appended to, it is copied to this file3. Okay, that is the use of this cat and this greater than symbol, this complete command. Okay, that is the use of this complete command. Okay, fine. I hope you have understood this point. So here, see here, so inside the nested directory, so without entering into the nested directory, we can create a file. Okay, from outside the file, and we can copy the data into this file. We will see this example. Okay, see here, ls file1.txt is existing here. Okay, so what I will do, I will create a directory mkdir -p. I will create nested directory, that is user and demo. Okay, hit enter, do ls. See, that user directory is created here. Go inside that user directory, hit enter, do ls, and inside that user directory and demo directory also it's created here. Okay, so I will go back again home. So what I will do, cat file1.txt greater than symbol. So inside this user directory, one more demo directory is there. So in that directory, I want to create file 4.txt file. Okay, hit enter. See that file 4.txt previously it's not existing in the user in the demo directory. Okay, what happened in the demo directory? The file 4.txt is created, and even this whatever the file 1.txt data is there, the data is copied to this file 4.txt. How we will check? Cat give this file name along with the path, paste, hit enter. See here, with this cat command you can check the whatever data containing inside the nested directory, and in that there is a file. That data you can check without entering into this directory. Okay, you can display the data here. Okay, you can copy the data and without entering into this directory using this cat command. Okay, and you can observe the data also without entering into the directory. Okay, that is the use of this greater than directory. Okay, sorry, greater than command using along with the cat. Okay, I hope you have understood all these commands. Okay, please go through all the videos and lectures. So do yourself practical. Practical is very important. So if you are hearing and you are not doing any practical, means there is no use of this lecture, because sometime you will remember, and once to some other days you will forward the complete all the commands. Okay, so it happens. So when you will do practical, you won't forward the commands. You will get a like a hands-on experience. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. In the next lecture, we will see a list commands, list all the list commands. Okay, so we will see all these list commands. Okay, so good day to everyone. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.